Hello guys.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about something that has revolutionized the world as we know it. Artificial intelligence, or AI? Now, I know AI might sound like a complex concept. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you in the simplest way possible. So, what exactly is AI? Well, it's the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. In other words, it's all about making machines smart and capable of learning and adapting on their own. Now, let's dive into the top 5 advantages of AI that you need to know. Increased efficiency. AI enables machines to process vast amounts of data and perform tasks at lightning-fast speeds. This means that mundane and repetitive tasks can be automated, freeing up our time for more important things. Improved accuracy. Unlike humans, AI systems don't get tired or make errors due to fatigue. They can analyze data with incredible precision, leading to more accurate results in personalization. AI has the power to personalize our experiences like never before. Enhanced safety. AI plays a crucial role in improving safety across different industries, innovation and discovery. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and find patterns that humans might miss, it has become an invaluable tool for innovation and discovery. Improved healthcare. AI is revolutionizing the medical field. It can analyze medical records, detect diseases at an early stage. Efficiency boost. AI is like having your very own personal assistant. So there you have it. Hope this video has given you a better understanding of how AI is shaping our world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.